viewers, how you? Hopefully you are fine. This is actually the EMA, RSI and the histogram strategy. Work awesome and you will find zero fake signal. Remember, you will get zero fake signal. Just need to watch this video very carefully. Okay, now let's start the video. Here the strategy is very simple. Whenever here you can see, let me show you something. 24 trading, giving you the signal like this one. Okay, C main reference candle, B for buy signal, S for sell signal, and R for reversal signal. Okay, and you will find this one a very good one. Okay, but the strategy is not dependent on the signals. Okay, let me show you this thing very carefully. Let me here you can see candles are closing below from 3 EMA lines, and you got the sell signals, so you can see the results. Okay, let me show you something more. Here you can see you got the sell signal, and you can see this candle closing below, so in the next candle, this is actually the scalping strategy. And now we have need to start the video. Here you can see first the RSI histogram, and you have need to watch histogram. First thing histogram, second thing the EMA lines and the RSI. Okay, here you can see the histogram is the green one, and now the RSI is also green one, and the candle close upside from three EMA lines. Okay, so this is your entry point. Like they show you, this was your entry point. When the candle close, you have need to enter your trade and need to take profit like $3 to $4 movement. Okay, let me show you something very carefully. And I will show you many trades, and you will find zero fake signal. Okay, let me show you. Let's start from this point. Here you can see candle is closing upside from 3 EMA lines, and the candle is upside from the RSI as well. As RSI color is green as well, histogram is also green one, so you can go for the buy trade. And in this candle, let me show you, this candle is your entry point. And when you got the entry, the price of gold was 3,355, and price goes from 55 to 60, around $5 movement, easily catch. That is the strategy. Here you can see another one. This candle close upside again from the RSI 3 EMA lines, and the histogram is also green one. So this is your entry point, and the $4 to $5 movement you have need to catch in the gold. Like when you got the entry, the price was around 3,360, and from 60 to 65, $5 movement easily catch. So that is the best strategy. Okay, here you can see no candle close from third EMA line, so this is not our sell entry. Okay, let's find out more entry. Here this candle close upside. Okay, you can see clearly visible. Okay, and when you got the entry, the price was 64. Okay, and from 64, price goes from 64 to 70, 3,370, $5 movement catch. That is a strategy. That is the best thing. Okay, here you can see this is your entry point. When you got the entry, the price was 3,056. Okay, from 56, market goes from 56 to around 50. Okay, that $4 movement catch easily. That is a strategy. Here you can see another one. I do not need to tell this one because this is the perfect one. Okay, let's find out more signal. You will find more signal. Here you can see, let me show you. This is RSI is red from this point. Okay, and when you got the entry, the price was 60, and from 60 to market goes from 60 to 55. Okay, it's around $4 movement catch easily. Okay, this is your another entry point, and you can see amazing one. Okay, and here you will find which candle, let me, this RSI red from this point. Okay, and this candle is closing below from RSI and the 3 EMA lines. So this is your entry point, and you can see. Okay, let's find out more entries at this point. You can see this is your entry point. because histogram is green, RSI is green, and the candle is closing upside from 3 EML lines, and you can see. Okay, let's find out more entries. Here you can see, let's find out. Here you can see, this is your entry point. Okay, this is your entry point, and market goes from 3,340. From 40 market goes from 40 to 33. Okay, that's easily catch, you catch easily. This is your another entry point. You can see easily $5 to $6 moment catch. Okay, let's find out. If you will find out more entries, you can see RSI is not good, so let's find perfect entries like this one, this one. Okay, this candle is your entry point, and here when you got the entry price was 38. From 38 market goes to from 38 to 34. Okay, easily catch. Okay, here RSI is also red one, and the candle touch to the upper EMA line and then come again below. From this candle is your entry point again, and you can see easily catch. Let's find out more entries. Here you can see this candle is your entry point. Okay, and you can see easily catch $3 to $5 $7 moment catch easily. Let's find out more signal. Okay, RSI is green, but you have need to find the entry where the RSI should be red one, and this one, like this one. Here you can see candle is below from the RSI and the 3 ML lines, and the histogram is also red, so this is your entry point, and you can see easily catch easily. Okay, let's find out more entries. Here you can see this candle come upside from the RSI is also green one, and this candle come upside from 3 EML lines, so this is your entry point. Okay, I know sometime your stop loss will be big, like this one is your stop loss, and stop loss is too big, but you have need to focus on the 90 to 95%. At least you will get 90% accuracy. Okay, let me show you. Here you can see this one entry, and you can see easily catch the moment, and you have need to focus on 4 to 5 or $6 minimum $4 moment catch easily by use if you will use this strategy. Okay, here you will find some more entries. Or RSI is upside from the upper band line, so we have need to wait like this one. Histogram red, RSI candle is below from the RSI and the 3 EML line, so this is your entry point. Not this one, this one is your entry point, because at this point RSI, this candle closed below from the EMA lines and the RSI, so this is your entry point. And RSI is also red one, histogram is also red one, so this is your entry point, and you can see you got this candle is again closing. This candle you can see come upside and then come downside. Okay, so this is your entry point again, and you can see easily catch. Okay, here the EMA lines come upside from the RSI, so here we have need to find the buy entry, and here we got the buy entry. This is your buy entry. Okay, and here you can see easily catch. So this is actually the strategy that will give you accurately results like 95 to 100%. Okay, sometime you will get 100% accuracy, and sometime you will get 95% accuracy. 95% accuracy means that out of 195 trades are successful. Okay, like here you can see when this is your entry point, and your stop loss will be like this one. This is your stop loss. Okay, a very small stop loss, and you can see easily catch the profit. Okay, and we will find more, and this strategy work on all time frames, on all pairs. Either you are just using free crypto, forex, stock, whatever. Okay, and 24-hour trading you have need to do nothing setting. Okay, just default setting is good, but here simple hoga 4.8 you have need to do some changes. And this last question, how you can get the indicator, I will show you at the end of the video. And here you uncheck this table, uncheck this infilling signal or RSI 75, and the last thing you have need to do is enable the swing mode. Okay, uncheck this swing mode. That's it, your strategy is now ready. Okay, so and if you need my indicators, you can contact me. I will show you my contact details. This is my WhatsApp number, this is my Telegram. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram. Remember, my indicators are paid, not free of cost, but in few dollars you will get my indicators. Okay, not hundreds of dollars, just in few dollars you will get my indicators. Gmail simpleoga@gmail.com. If you need my indicator, you can contact me. The strategy work on all markets like forex, crypto, stock, indices, and you can use this strategy in 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, or whatever the time frame you want. You can easily use in any time frame, in any pair. Okay, let me show you the results quickly in let's see in the euro USD. Let's see. We will see the most recent condition. Okay, and here you can see that is the entry point. Okay, this is your entry point because this candle come upside from the 3 EMA lines. Okay, and histogram is also green one. Here you can see clearly. So this is your entry point, and your target will be like for if you are trading for like 0.04 or 0.05, so you have need to do for $4 to $10 and take profit, and that's it. Okay, or you can 1 by 1 ratio, because here this is your entry point, this is your stop loss as well. So you can 1 by 1 ratio, put the 1 by 1 ratio, and you can take profit. Okay, so this is the best strategy ever, and hopefully you will love it. Any question, any query, or if you need my indicators, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram, or Gmail. Okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care. Hopefully you will like my video, and must subscribe my channel. For the next video, bye bye, take care.